This is part 2 of the other video where I did the PS4 controller skin. Bought at Five Below. Check out that video. This one's also bought at Five Below for $5. It's made by the same company that made the PS4 controller skin. Apologize for it. There we go. It is the YoUse or YoUse gaming headset. There are other videos on YouTube reviewing this. Check out them as well, because all of us at Chinese-made companies, some of their products work, half of them work, half of them don't. I use the Samsung Galaxy headset that came with my Samsung Galaxy phone. It's like $5 if you buy it without the phone. And it makes my ears bleed. It makes my ears, literally, I'm not kidding, makes my ears bleed. Not by how loud it is, but it scrapes the inside of your ear as you move around. And it's really difficult. It's really weighty. And I wanted a full gaming headset, and I was at Five Below and I saw this. This is what made me get the PS4 skin controller as well. But it's called the YoUse gaming headset for use with Xbox One, PS4, and PC. I no longer have an Xbox One, so I can't test it on that. I do have a PC and PS4, so I'm going to test it on those. And it has, according to the top of it, volume control, built-in microphone, adjustable headband. You can expand this. And it's $5. I mean, if it doesn't work, whatever. And it does have a PC adapter with it, so it's always a plus to have a PC adapter with it. YoUse gaming headset. If you're a gamer, you need high-performance headset. Take your game to the next level with YoUse gaming headset. Built-in microphone, coordinate your attacks, warn your team, and trash talk your enemies with a crystal clear adjustable microphone. They support trash talking. Thank you. Adjustable headband. This headset is comfortable, adjustable, and ready to go out of the box. Just plug it in. Cord length is approximately 5 feet. 5 feet cord length. There you go. Don't ask, please. Compatible with PS4, Xbox One, and PCs. Adjustable volume control. Gaming control. Gaming Central U. And on the bottom, driver is 40 millimeters. Sensitivity is 120 decibels plus 3 decibels. Frequency response is 20 kilohertz to 20 kilohertz. 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, my bad. Impedance is 32 ohmega plus minus 15%. Max input power is 30 milliwatts MW. Plug is 3.5 millimeter. Cord length is 5 feet. GW is 180G. Now, before people ask me, something that's completely unrelated to this, will it work with my cell phone? It depends on the cell phone, and I don't know if it has the right amount of edges. Like, you have to have like the black edges on your cord. I don't know. You might have to get an adapter, most likely. So there's that answer to that. And this is what it looks like inside the box. And it even has YoUse etched in on the side. Let's open this bad boy up. People like to complain that Hodge and I always take too long to get to our unboxings, and we're trying to get faster with it. But the reason why is because we read every angle of the box. We read it all, because the box usually answers most questions. And if you have questions at the end of our reviews, that means we failed, or the box failed at giving you the proper explanation. So yeah, you have this little piece of paper. Has information about it being compatible via the FAA. And then here's the headset. It's got some fake leather. It smells like a Chinese factory or a new fake leather, Fox leather chair. And here's the PC adapter. It looks different than the back. It's not pink, it's red and green. 3.5 millimeter to go into your PC for PC gaming, which I probably will get back into. I know I deleted my gaming channel, my PC gaming channel. I'll probably bring it back someday, but it won't be as hardcore. Here it is. You have the YoUse. If you can see that, if it's in focus, yeah, you can see it. Cool. YoUse. It's very lightweight. The microphone is adjustable. It clicks. It has threads. Adjustable microphone. And I love my Samsung headset. It's got really good audio, I've been told from the people I've talked to on it. You got your right and your left side. It tells you, and you can move it in, out. Yep. It is adjustable. It goes that far. That's as far as it'll go. That's as far as it'll come out for the biggest head. For the oval-shaped head like mine, like an egg. That's as far as it'll go. And here's a look at it. Full body. This is what it looks like. That's the front side. Side, back side. Right there. And let's go and test this, although I don't know how I'm going to test it. Hello everyone, I am testing out the YoUse headset from Five Below, and this is what it sounds like on a PlayStation 4. I have a 15-second time limit, so I've got to hurry it up. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching.